All of you, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to teach you all exponents and powers. So today's topic is exponents and powers. So let us take one example. 32. So students, we need to find out the factors of 32. So I'm going to divide by 2. When we are dividing any number by 2, we have to do half of that number. So half of 32 is 16. Again I'm going to divide by 2. Half of 16, 8. Again divide by 2. I'm going to get 4. Again divide by 2. I'm going to get 2. So how many 2's I'm getting? So let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 2's. So in the chapter factor and multiples, we have written these are all the prime numbers of 32. So how many 2's I'm getting? I'm getting 5 2's. So we can write 2 to the power 5. Now from here we will understand the topic exponent and powers. So in this 2 to the power 5, 2 will be called as base. So I'm going to write over here base, and 5 will be called as power or index. So 2 will be called as base and 5 will be called as power or index. So this is all about exponent and powers. With the help of this, we have to know the basic rule of this topic, exponent and power. So let us go and check the rule number 1, which shows the product law. The first rule is called product law. So in this product law, let us find out how we can represent the base and the power. So I'm writing over here a to the power m multiply by a to the power n. So I am taking over here variable. First example, I'm taking over the variable. So over here we can see the base is a, which is multiply, and the power is a to the power m and a to the power n. So in the product law, when the bases are same, again I'm repeating, when the bases are same, the power will be added. So it will be a to the power m plus n. So this is the first law of exponent, which is called as product law. So let us move to the next rule, which shows the application of division, and this law is called as quotient law. So let us check with the example of variable a to the power m by a to the power n. So in this law, when the bases are same, that is a, and the application is division, the power will be subtracted. So a to the power m minus n. So in the first law, what we have seen, product law, and in the second law, we can see, since it is division, it is called as quotient law. And when we are dividing, the power will be subtracted. Now rule number 3. If anything to the power 0, again I am repeating, if anything to the power 0, it can be a to the power 0 or it can be 5 to the power 0, the answer will be 1. The answer will be 1. So this is one more law we have to remember. Anything to the power 0 will be regarded as 1. Now, the next law, number 4, is called power law. So what does this power law shows? Let's see. A to the power m whole bracket n. Again I am repeating, a to the power m whole bracket n. So in this law, we have to remove the bracket and the power will be multiplied. So it will be a to the power m into n, a to the power n into n. So this is called power law. Now if something is written like this, so let us check. A to the power n into b to the power n. Now here we have to be very careful. The bases are not same. First one is a to the power n and followed by second one b to the power n. We cannot apply product law. So what we have to do over here, students? In this case, we will multiply a into b and the power will be written outside, that is n. So in this, bases are not same but the powers are same. So we will multiply the bases and power will be outside the bracket. So this will be called as a to the power b whole to the power n. A into b whole to the power n. So this is the way we have to remember the law. Now let us move to the next law. If it is written a to the power n and b to the power n, again we can see the bases are not same but the powers are same. So we can write a to the power a by b whole to the power n. A by b whole to the power n. So previous one it was multiplication, but this one it is division. Okay, so we have to remember this. So these are the laws which are very much applicable in finding out any sums related with exponents and power. Based on this law, we have to follow the sum. So let us take one example. Example 1. Find two to the power 5 by 7 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 by 7 to the power 5. So what we can see over here? The bases are different but the powers are same. So how we can write 2 to the power 7, 2 by 7 whole to the power 5. 2 by 7 whole to the power 5. So this is the way we have to write. One more example, let us take. Example number 2. Three to the power 6 into 7 to the power 6. Again, what we can see, the bases are different, but the powers are same. We cannot apply over here product law. So what we have to do, we can multiply the base whole to the power 6. So what will be the answer? 7 into 3, 21 to the power 6. So what we are doing? We are applying the law while solving the sum. Example number 3. If there is a negative number, minus 5 to the power 5 into 8 to the power 5. Again, we can see the bases are different, but the powers are same. So what we have to do over here, students? Minus 5 into 8 whole to the power 5. Minus 5 into 8, the answer will be minus 40 whole to the power 5. So this is the way we have to apply the rules while solving the exponent sum. So I hope you all have followed the rules and you all will be applying those rules while solving the exponents and powers. Whichever sums are there in your mathematics textbook, you all will be able to solve it. I hope you all have understood. Follow my channel. I'm going to come up with more example on this particular topic, exponent and power, in future with more difficult sums, so that you all can solve each and every sums correctly. Give likes and subscribe my channel. All of you, thank you.